devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang.
Kita sedang berada di salah satu yang sangat spesial hari ini, berada di Turin. Oke, kita sudah berada di tempat latihannya Juventus. Oke, kita bisa lihat di sini dalam acara Shopee. Jadi ikuti kami terus bersama dengan amigo my friend.
Hey lah amigo. Kita
akan bertemu dengan Dybala, semua pemain Juve. Oke guys, semuanya support terus channel ini, jangan lupa subscribe. So kita sudah masuk ke tempat Juventus.
Hello Shopee, we are now coming to you live from Turin, Italy. I'm Charmaine and I'm going to be your host today. And let me tell you, you are in for a real treat. We've got giveaways that are happening, and I'm talking merchandise signed by Cristiano Ronaldo himself. So you can stay tuned to find out how you can win all of this from us today. We're going to go through a little bit of fun. Very own brand ambassador, Cristiano Ronaldo Innovative. But before we have him join us today, before we invite him in,
just keep going. Another question, what is the secret to your success? I don't think there is any secret. I just try to do my best and then work hard, train my best, and then
Shopee, then so okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
现在not famous.
And believe me when I say you are in for a real treat. We have so much going on today, and in fact, we are going to include giveaways. If you want to get this signed merchandise from the Shopee ambassador, Cristiano Ronaldo himself, you got to make sure that you stay right to the very end, because we're going to tell you brand ambassador, Cristiano Ronaldo. Before we get into all of that, keep sharing this because we want all your friends to see. Before we get into all of that, some fun trivia. Okay, playing a little trivia game before we get into the action and inviting Ronaldo in. If you know the answers to this question, make sure you comment below and show him all the love possible. Okay, a big hello to everybody that has just joined us on the live stream. I can see it, I'm joining that stream as well. So here is the very first trivia question. Question number 1. We are live in Italy, and did you know that Italy has actually won the World Cup grand total 4 times? Now, which was the last year Italy won the World Cup? I'm going to give you some time to comment on it. It is in the 2000s, yes?
My hand on the trigger, the devil in a red